We were interrupted by a phone call. I think I should set the video to continue shooting even when a phone call comes through. Okay, now this is helping me loop the ground terminal to the ground point, and after this we are basically done. Alright, so that's that. Now we try to test the charging. Help me with that cable, the grey one. Thank you. Okay. Where do you think is rechargeable? Why am I not seeing where the port goes? The charging, the battery.
Get you, the battery is there.
Where?
In there. Within that battery.
Oh, here's one speaker. I was thinking of both ports to be for speakers. Brain is funny. Okay, guys, so a moment of truth. First, I'm going to plug in the charger without the battery in. Okay, don't see any light, which I should be expecting. Okay, so that means I'm going to be forced to plug in. Is this thing going this way? I think so. So I think the red one is the battery, alright? And the battery is the one with the thick cables, alright? So we'll plug in the battery, and then we'll plug in the charger. Does it have an indicator light? Yeah? Or it's just by faith that you know it is charged? Anyway, let me come and measure the voltage coming out of the charging port and see that it's actually sorry, my charger jumped out. Okay, it's drawing current and now we see the light. Okay. Alright, so we are good to go, and as such this is also well anchored, and yeah, so that's what we've done for this. Let me just keep them plugged in and go forward to close the device. Right, so we've done a charging port replacement, and I've shown you how you can improve the anchoring of your charging port such that it doesn't break easily as it did for this. Where are the buttons? Are the buttons located on the front thing? So this is the old dead thing that ripped off with the conducting lines. That said, we are coming to close this thing together. Yeah. First put away the solder. I still thinks it needs to work. I'm burning my things. Okay, let me polish off that part where it has decided to create a mark. Alright, push that in. I needed to confirm whether the buttons are on the other. Oh yeah, they are. So they are here. I thought maybe it's something I should go under into those holes, but we are good to go. So that is that. Now the next thing is to bring this. Oh, we have to make sure these wires pass through the groove to try to restore the air tightness. And then also this is ripped. We need to try to replace it back such that I'm with that rubber glue, so that we restore the air tightness. Here, the tube on your left. Oh, already had this, but all right. Now I need to open this up so that I correct that, otherwise this thing won't have bass, because this dampener is what transforms the stereo speaker to have some form of bass by damping. Okay, so get our adhesive and then I'm going to apply. Oh, it's almost okay. Well, there's no need for adhesive. I think I just have to put it back into position, and this plastic presses it onto the frame. All right, no problem. So let me put it back to where it belongs, right there. Get our screws and put them in place. It's a bliss to have screws that are easily picked up by your magnetized screwdriver. It's very helpful. Some screws made out of material that makes it very hard to pick, so it makes the screwing process very hard. Anyway, if you think you're interested in what we do here, subscribe and do leave your queries in the comment section. Okay, that. All right. Now we bring the cover down into place. Okay. Do I sense any resistance? Let me confirm. Okay, it's all right. Now we need to put back all these screws. Okay. So I'm going to screw this back and finish the closed thing. All right, so put that there. Highlights. Bajja gulaga NTV Sport ne ku link kwe kuli antera kozesa bana bakawoowo olowooza ogwa NTV Sport is better footage. Yeah, kuba good. Kuba good. Bade ba broadcasting nga league bagenda broadcasting na. Okay, nja bagezaako ndabe. So NBA Sport, they are becoming that serious. Do you know anywhere I can get 60 million? 60? Huh? Even me, I've even never had the idea. What startup are you trying to inject money in? For if you just sell me here and here, they can lend you that money. Don't worry. I don't think I do. If you have any rich uncle who is having liquid cash, if you have liquid cash, then I don't know. I put there what? I'm going to start seeking for adoption. Okay. So these screws, that there, that there. So I'm going to put one somewhere there. Okay. And yep, that's the last one. So we bring the face. What could be the cause? I think there is nothing much. What do you remember? What do Like, what do you remember around the time it stopped?
Currently before, at first it first refused it.
Yeah.
Then the technique was this.
Okay.
They had put this cassetting of double tap on the screen. But we had forgotten that it lights. But when you try this power button, it doesn't work at all.
Is it an AMOLED screen?
Eh?
Is it an AMOLED screen?
Exactly, I think. Oh, this is
Tobango, the movie. We are not 9.
like screen time was
Tia AMOLED.
I think the power button issue.
Sure. So it's a Samsung?
This power button, yes, the power button was not working, but we could double tap. But I think someone removed the double tap settings.
Tell which someone has your password.
I don't know, man. We just want it to power. But when you put it on charge, it's already on 100%. Even when you can show it, charge it to 100.
It's even the one not making notification sounds, right?
No. But before it could make, even someone.
Whose phone was making notification?
Mine. But before someone could call and receive the call.
This part always gives me hard time.
But now even if you call, the line is switched off. It's off.
Real off.
It's not real off.
Okay. I was using the energy while not using the brain. All right. Now that that's in, we can bring the front side, and this should actually just slide in, and we shouldn't expect it to make life hard. Nothing. All right. Yeah, it sort of helps the phone see what I'm doing. So let's squeeze this. No, like I'm just be recording for my channel. So let's hit the power button and see. Okay. More mode. Okay. So then the warning on battery, but you saw that we work with the charging system. So let's plug in, and I think the red light should show up. All right. The battery has run down. So plug in. I think you can see the red light through that hole, the earphone jack. So it is charging, and yeah, this is done. Maybe I'll power it on again, just to show you that it no longer gives me the warning of battery. Okay. On. Of course, when it's plugged in, I don't expect it to warn the battery. Let me switch it off. Anyway, do subscribe.
Do you have any screen?
Like of a phone? A TV? I don't think so. That lady has refused to. Hey! 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 Mugambe! Hey! Kazije nawe. Nangende nonye breakfast. Kazije nawe. Kazije nawe. Go single. Yeah, I didn't forget your phone is there to be looked in. That you bring.
You don't have.
I don't have
any other phone. Sorry.
Stevie. No, not at the moment. The ones I had, I sold them. Those old ones.
But I had to come with some screen.
They hadn't stopped.